Good morning everyone, welcome back. In this class, today we will discuss about some numerical problem which is based on the simple interest. In the previous lecture we have already discussed about the simple interest. So now let us start exercise 8.6 question number 1. Question number 1. Page number 116. So in this question, a sum of 876 rupees was lent at 4% per annum. Simple interest, what is the interest to be paid after 8 months? Exercise 8.6 and question number 1. So in this question, a sum of 876 rupees was lent. So it is clear that in this question the principal is here. The value of P is given 876 and was lent at 4% per annum. So it is clear that rate of interest is given here 4%, R equal to 4%, and what is the interest to be paid after 8 months? So time is given here T equal to 8 months. 8 months. So rate of interest is given 4% per annum. Then time is here 8 months. So first of all we will convert the months in year. Then 8 by 12 and 2 by 3 year. So regarding to this question, what is the interest? Then what is the interest? So we know that the formula of the interest here I equal to PRT by 100. Then principal is given here 876 and the rate of interest is 4 and time is here 2 by 3 by 100. Then 876 into 4 into 2 by 100 into 3. Then 876 divided by 3, so we can write here 292. Then I equal to 292 into 4 by 2 by 100. So multiply here 4 into 2, that is 8 by 100. Then I equal to 16 2336 divided by 100, that is 23.36. So in this question, what is the interest to pay after 8 months? So interest is here 23 rupees 23.36. Now the next question is here, question number 2. find the interest and total amount. Find the interest. Find the interest. Find the interest and total amount. Find the interest and total amount due on 1200 rupees after 1 year. After 1 year. After 1 year. 1 year 5 months. 1 year 5 months at 1 year 5 months at a rate of interest 4 whole 1 by 2 per annum. So it is clear that to find the interest and total amount due on 1200 after 1 year 5 months at rate of interest 4 or 1 by 2 percent per annum. So in this question the principle is given here. The value of P equal to the solution. The value of P equal to 1200 and rate of interest is given here R equal to 4 whole 1 by 2 percent. That is R equal to 9 by 2 percent per annum. And time is given here T equal to 1 year 5 months. 1 year 5 months. So first of all, we will convert to the months in year. Then 1 year plus 5 by 12. Month changing the term of year. Then 5 by 12. That is the 17 by 12 year. So what is the total amount and interest? Then I, the value of I and T. So use the formula of the simple interest. We know that here I equal to P by 100. So it is clear that principal is given here 1200. Then put the value of P equal to 1200 into, and the rate of interest is given here 9 by 2. 9 by 2 into, and time is here 17 by 12 by 100. So we can write here 1200 into 9 into 70 by 2 into 12 into 100. Then now 1200 0 0 cancel 0 0. Then 12 divided by 12, that is 1. Now 9 into 17 by 2. Then 9 multiplies 17. Then I equal to 153 by 2. There 153 by divided by 2. Then 76.50. So So interest is here 76.50 and amount is here we know that amount equal to so here the total amount A equal to principal plus interest. So principal is given here that is 1200 plus and interest is here 76.50 then 0.50 1276. So total amount is here 1276 rupees 50 paise. Then total amount 1276.50. So it is clear that in this question principal is given here 1200 and rate of interest is here 4/1/2% per annum, then 9/2% per annum, and total time is given here 1 year 5 months. So first of all we will convert here month in the term of year, then we can write here 5/12, then 1 plus 5/12 that is 17/12. Then use the formula of the simple interest and we know that here I equal to P RT by 100, then value of P equal to 1200, the rate of interest is 9/2 and time is here 17/12. Then simplify here, then interest equal to 76.50, then total amount we know that here if the sum of principal and interest is equal to the total amount. So principal is given here 1200 and interest is 76.50, then total amount 1476.50. Now the question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is find the interest on 800 for 146 days at a rate of interest of 5% per annum. So it is clear that find the interest on 800. Question number 3. So principal is given here 800 equal to 800 and rate of interest are equal to 5% per annum, 5% per annum, and time is 146 days. So it is clear that we know that 1 year there are 365 days in 1 year. So first of all we will change days in the term of year, then T equal to 146 divided by 365. Then find the interest. So use the formula of interest. We know that here P I equal to P RT by 100. So principal is given here 800 and rate of interest 5% per annum and time is here 146 by 365. Then put the value of P RT here 800 into 5 into 146 by 365 divided 100. So we can write here 800 into 5 into 146 by 100 into 365. So 5, 6, 7 and 3. Then I equal to 8 into 146 by 73. Then 146 divided by 73 and then right here 73 to the 146. Then I equal to 8 into 2. So you can write here 16. 8 into 2 equal to 16. Then 16. Then interest is here 16 rupees. So in this question the interest is here 16 rupees. So in this question find the interest 800 for 146 days at rate of interest 5% per annum. So in this question principal is given here 800 and rate of interest is given 5% per annum and time is given here 146 days and what is the interest? So first of all we will change here 146 days in the term of year. So we know that here 365 days in 1 year, then 146 divided by 365, then days convert in term of the year, then 146 by 365. So here we know that interest equal to principal into rate of interest into time by 100. So put the value of P and T in this formula. Then 800 into 5 into 146 by 365 divided by 100. So simplify here. Then the value of interest is here 16 rupees.